In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Microsoft Visio. Whether you've just installed Visio and noticed it's in a language you're not familiar with, or you simply need to switch to a different language for work, we've got you covered with clear and easy-to-follow steps. Let's dive in. First up, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and perform a quick search for Microsoft Visio. This search will guide you to the website or Microsoft 365 login page, which is crucial for accessing Visio's online features or installing it on your device if you haven't done so already. Once you've reached the website or Microsoft 365 portal, look for the Sign In button and click on it. If you already have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically logged in. In this case, just click on your profile or proceed directly. If not, go ahead and input your email address followed by your password and any additional information required to get into your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 homepage, commonly known as the Copilot homepage. Here, you'll find an array of Microsoft apps that are part of your subscription. What you need to do next is locate the Apps section. Click on Apps to explore the assortment of tools at your disposal. Now, within the list of available apps, keep an eye out for Visio. Once you spot it, give it a click. This action will open Microsoft Visio, providing you with access to your existing files or enabling you to start a new project. Go ahead and open any file within Visio to proceed. This could be an existing document you have been working on or a new one, as either will work for modifying the language settings. With your file open, find the settings located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will unveil a drop-down menu. From there, select the option labeled Change Your Language. At this stage, you'll be given choices around display languages, preferred languages, and translation options. Each choice pertains to different aspects of how language is applied within Visio, so select the one that suits your needs. You'll notice a down arrow at the end of the drop-down menu. By clicking this arrow, you'll see a complete list of language options available to you. From here, select the language you wish to use and click on the Change button to update your selection. Finally, to confirm and apply these changes, click OK to close the Options dialog. And with that, you've successfully changed your language settings in Microsoft Visio. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you can continue your work in the language of your choice with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips.